Morning. Welcome to back to the tavern and the Oasis. We are now at the bird's eye perch of the Oasis on top of the deck that's freshly sheeted. Got a little bit of work left to go on it, but lots of stuff's been happening. Been a week since I've been up here. Everything's a bit dry. Everything else we can see down here is all dry. We'll show you how it looks from up here in just a moment. But what else have we got? Looks like I had a visitor sneak in from neighbor's yard again and ate a few of the plants in here. We'll take a look at that too. That's what happens. You go away for a week. Things change. Things happen. Life can get really busy in just a simple week. Anyway, this is it, the Oasis. It's Saturday, August 28th, I believe. Let's take a look and make double sure of what it is. Nope, it's the 29th of August. 29th of August. What happens when I don't make it up on a Friday? But that's how life works. That's a beautiful view from up here. This is one nice deck. It's a great view of all the neighbors' yards from here too. Cool. Well, let's take a look here and see what we've got. Let's show you what it looks like from the top of the deck. This is it. This is the Oasis from the top of the deck. It's actually a pretty good vantage point of everything. Except I have to walk out to the edge and look. My kid and grandkid down there checking out everything early in the morning. They're usually not up this early. That's everything here. Great view of all the neighbors' yards. That's pretty cool. That's quite nice. So that's the overview of the Oasis. That's really all we're going to do for it today. We'll cover up some things we're going to do. We've got a lot of work to get done. But we'll see how it's going to be. Alright, off we go.
She can't shake no more. She can't shake no more. I need to find a potion, I need to find a cure. A firefly told me she got poison in her veins. A firefly told me it's driving her insane. Tonight lightning will be striking. Here comes old Coltrane. She can't shake no more. She can't shake no more. I need to find a potion, I need to find a cure. It weighs like a stone. I wish she had a clone. She got the devil inside her. She's in her own zone. She's gone through a wall into the unknown. She can't shake no more. She can't shake no more. I need to find a potion, I need to find a cure. She can't shake no more. She can't shake no more. I need to find a potion, I need to find a cure. She can't shake no more. She can't shake no more. I need to find a potion, I need to find a cure.